भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिके। कृष्ण सुधामुपगते धर्म ज्ञानादिभिः सह कलौ नष्टदृशामेष पुराणार्कधुनावदितः। श्रीमद् रीडिंग फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम 7th canto chapter 13, the behavior of a perfect person. Today text 44. Atmanubhutau tam mayam juhuyat satyadrin munihi tato niriho viramet स्वानुभूतिः आत्मनि स्थितः। आत्मानुभूतौ तां मायां जुहुयात् सत्यद्रीन्मुनिः ततो निरीहो विरमेत् स्वानुभूति आत्मनि स्थितः। आत्मानुभूतौ तां मायां जुहुयात् सत्यद्रीन्मुनिः ततो निरीहो विरमेत् स्वानुभूति आत्मनि स्थितः। आत्मानुभूतौ तां मायां जुहुयात् सत्यद्रीन्मुनिः ततो निरीहो विरमेत् स्वानुभूति आत्मनि स्थितः। वर्ड मीनिंग आत्मानुभूतौ unto self realization, tan that maya the false ego of material existence, juhuyat should offer as an oblation, satyadrik one who has actually realized the ultimate truth, munihi such a thoughtful person, tataha because of this self-realization, niriha without material desires, viramet one must completely retire from material activities, sonubhuti atmani in self-realization, Sthitah, thus being situated. Translation and purport by Divine Grace, Abhay Charana Aravind Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Translation. A learned, thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. This is possible only by self-realization. A self-realized person who has actually seen the truth should retire from all material activities, being situated in self-realization. Please repeat. A learned, thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. This is possible only by self-realization. A self-realized person who has actually seen the truth should retire from all material activities, being situated in self-realization. Purport. By an analytical study of the entire constitution of the body, one can surely come to the conclusion that the soul is different from all the body's material constituents, such as earth, water, fire and air. Thus the difference between the body and the soul can be realized by a person who is thoughtful, Munishi or Muni. And after this realization of the individual spirit soul, one can very easily understand the supreme spirit soul. If one thus realizes that the individual soul is subordinate to the supreme spirit soul, he achieves self-realization. As explained in the 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, there are two souls within the body. The body is called Kshetra, and there are two Kshetrajñas, or occupants of the body, namely the super soul, Paramatma, and the individual soul. The super soul and the individual soul are like two birds sitting on the same tree, the material body. One bird, the individual forgetful bird, and eating the fruit of the tree, not caring for the instructions of the other bird, which is only as a witness to the activities of the first bird, who is his friend. When the forgetful bird comes to understand the supreme friend who is always with him and trying to give him guidance in different bodies, he takes shelter at the lotus feet of that supreme bird, as explained in the yoga process. Dhyanavasthita tadgatena manasa pasyanti yam yoginah. When one actually becomes a perfect yogi, by meditation, he can see the supreme friend and surrender unto him. This is the beginning of bhakti yoga, or actual life in Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna. Om ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjana shailakaya चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुभे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथानितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखानितांश्च. नमो ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरतिशै नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेशः गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आत्मानुभूतौ तां मायां जुहुयात् सत्यदृन्मुनिः ततो निरीहो विरमेत् स्वानुभूति आत्मनि स्थितः। A learned and thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. This is possible only by self-realization. A self-realized person who has actually seen the truth should retire from all material activities, being situated in self-realization. So in this chapter, the behavior of a perfect person is described, specifically the regulative principles for a sannyasi. In previous chapters, Narada Muni discussed about the regulative principle for brahmachari, for grahasthas, for vanaprasthas, and in this chapter specifically about sannyasis. But sannyasis are also in different stages. They are Kutichaka, Bahudaka, Hansa and Paramahansa. So this chapter is described about Paramahansas. Those are perfect person. Just like Prahlad Maharaj met such a perfect person, he is also described as an Avadhut. In a Mangalacharan we are chanting every day one word, Avadhut. Yes, for whom it is mentioned. Sa Advaitang Sa Avadhutang. We are praying every day, obeisances. Who is that Avadhut? The Nityananda Prabhu. He is also Avadhut. So, because he never followed the regulative principles very strictly, but he is Avadhut, just like before this Avadhut also told to Prahlad Maharaj. Sometimes he dressed very nicely and sometimes he was fully naked, walk on the road. Sometimes he ate very sumptuously, very nice food. Sometimes he fast or he just drink some water or whatever food is available he could take. We see the behavior of Nityananda Prabhu also like that. He is Avadhut. He is one day in Mayapur, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was sitting with his wife, who is eternal consort, Lakshmi Priya. Gauranga was sitting with Lakshmi Priya Devi. And suddenly Nityananda appeared there, fully naked, in front of them. And he was fully naked, he was chanting and dancing. Amare Kiniya Laha Bhaja Gaura Hari. Please chant Gauranga and purchase me. I will get purchased if you chant Gauranga. Amare, my master is Nadiya Vihari Gaura Hari. In completely in different stage. Avadhut, he was chanting and dancing and fully naked. Mahaprabhu told, hey, what are you doing? I am a grahastha. Mahaprabhu immediately come down and just took his utari and just put that cloth around his waist. He told, what is this? One day all devotees are sitting with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Nityananda also sometimes want to come naked, chanting and dancing. Hamare kiniya laho bhaja gaura hari. Hamare Prabhu Gaura Chandra Nadiya Bihari. Started dancing. Mahaprabhu told immediately, come down, he put a cloth. He told, give a kaupian. He make it kaupian and put Nityananda to wear a kaupian. Then he put his own cloth around him. He made Nityananda to sit down on this throne. Then he told, please Nityananda, give one kaupian from your cloth. He took one portion of his kaupian and he make it small piece. Mahaprabhu himself, he distributed to the devotees. He told, take this kaupian and wear in your head. Without the mercy of this Nityananda, you cannot become a devotee. Because here he is mentioning that Atmanu Bhutautam Maya, that is a learned, thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. How can one realize this? Kabe hame Nitai Chander Karuna Haibe Sansara Vasana Maro Mane Tuchha Habe. Narottam Das Thakur is praying. When that day will come, when Nityananda Prabhu will be merciful to me, such a Avadhut, he will be merciful to me, then my attachment for the material world, my attachment for my bodily attachment and sense gratification will disappear. Without the mercy of such a Paramahansa Vaishnava, it is not possible to enter even to devotional service. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to say, साधु संग बिना कोनो कर्मे भक्ति न है, कृष्ण भक्ति दूरे रहू संसार न है क्षय. Without mercy of a saintly person, you cannot enter into devotional service. What is about devotional service? Even your attachment for this material world, for this bodily attachment, sense gratification cannot be destroyed without the mercy of a Avadhut Vaishnava. Just like Prahlad Maharaj met in Avadhut. And in our Sampradaya, in Gaudiya Sampradaya, the Avadhut is Nityananda Prabhu. Without mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, there is no question of destroying our attachment for this material world. Nitai Karuna Habe Braje Radha Krishna Pabe. Dhara Nitai Charana Dukhani. That's why Srila Prabhupada brought that Avadhut to our ISKCON. Who? Nityananda. He is very merciful. At the same time, he not follow all the rules and regulations strictly, but with his merciful glance, we can destroy our material attachments. We can come to this stage of self-realization with his mercy. This verse is telling that a thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. Mayavadis used to say, Jagat Mithya Brahman Satya. Brahman Satya, Jagat Mithya, this material existence is completely false. We are accepting this sentence by Mayavadis? No. We are telling this is not totally false, but it is temporary. The material world is temporary. Or it is an feelings just like we are sleeping in and we are seeing it in a dream. Dream experience in a dream. Jai Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Shri Krishna Balaram ki jai, Radha Syama Sundar Lalita Vishakha ki jai. So, because the Mayavadis, they gave the example of just like how this material world, just like in the way we are walking in a dark night, we saw a rope on the road. then we take it as a snake. Similarly, this material world is false. This is like a rope, but we are thinking this is true. But Vaishnavas, they told that, okay, if you thought that seeing a rope, you have come to the sense of thinking it is a snake, then that definitely there is a real snake somewhere. Because how can we get the knowledge of snake? Seeing the rope we are saying. So that's why there is Krishna's dham, Krishna's name, Krishna's pastime, they are also true. But because we are in this material world, this is which is running by Lord's illusory energy. So this is not what is emanating from Krishna is not totally false. Something emanating from the supreme truth. How it can be false? Everything. But it is temporary in this material world. Krishna is telling bhutva bhutva praliyate. This again and again this material world gets destroyed, and again it is created by guna avatar like Brahma. But it is not totally false. It's temporary. So that's why a selfless soul, he could understand this truth. This material world is false. This body is also false. This body consists of 5 material elements: earth, water, fire, air and ether, like this. But the soul within this material body is part and parcel of the super soul. Mama ivangsa jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. Krishna is telling, the soul is a part and parcel of Krishna. So this is not made of the 5 material elements. It is different from the body. This body. There is a common. Any person, a thoughtful person like a Muni, he could understand this truth by analytical study, by Sankhya, that this body consists of 5 gross elements, 3 subtle elements, 5 the working senses, 5 knowledge acquiring senses, and 5 like there are 24 elements. But still there is soul is inside. If soul is not there, this body is considered as dead. By practical experience one could understand, I am not this body, I am soul, I am spirit soul. So that is spoken here. A learned, thoughtful person must realize that material existence is illusion. This is possible only by self-realization. What is the meaning of self-realization? Self-realization means we have to understand, I am not this material body, I am the soul. And in this material body there are 2 kshetra against is residing. One is a soul and another is super soul. This living entity, he is the owner of only one particular body. He has some limited knowledge about that body only. But super soul, he resides within all the living entities in 84 lakh species, different living entities. They are roaming. But within the body of all living entities, andantarastha paramanu chayantarastham. Everywhere there is super soul. Is residing. So self-realization means you know yourself. I am not this material body, I am soul. And you know the also material nature. And you know also super soul and the interaction, the interrelations between the 3. And specifically you must know that what is the relationship between soul and super soul. Mayavadis, they do not know this. They only think soul and super soul, they are same, one person, one. But Vaishnavas, they who reject Mayavada like Madhvacharya, he saw always 2 fingers, not 1, 2. One is super soul, another is super soul. But when this soul surrendered to the super soul, then that is called self-realization. When he surrendered, a self-realized person who has actually seen the truth, so retire from the material activities, being situated in self-realization. So when one understands this truth, then he automatically surrendered to Krishna, and he dedicated his life in service of Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Ramananda Rai, Sarvatyeji jibera kaha vas? If someone wants to accept a renounced order of life, then what shall he will do? If you want to reject all the material world, then you want to fully surrender to Krishna. So what is the way? Then Ramananda Rai told, Sri Vrindavana Dham, taha nitya lilaras. One after giving up all his attachments to the material body, to material belongings, and to all his attachments for sense gratification, for his fame as everything, then he should come to Vrindavan. What he will do in Vrindavan? After rejecting everything, come to Vrindavan. Sarvatyeji, after giving up everything, what shall do? One must come to Vrindavan. So what will do it to Vrindavan?
Associate with devotees.
Association of devotee. Then
social service. Hear Bhagavatam.
Hear Bhagavatam. Hear what? Bhagavatam. Come to Vrindavan, then what Goswami you are doing? Chanting. Nana Shastra Vicharanaika Nipunau Saddharma Sangstapakau Lokanam Hitakarinyau Tribhuvane Manyau Saranyakaro Radha Krishna Padara Binda Bhajana Nandena Mattaliko Bande Rupa Sanatanau Raghujugau Sri Jiva Gopalako. ऐसे गोसाई जबे ब्रजे कैलवास राधा कृष्णर नित्य लीला करिला प्रकाश. But same time Goswami is also Sankhya Purvaka Nama Gana Nati Bhi Kalavasani Kitau. They are also chanting holy name Sankhya Purvaka. Minimum how many? Goswami is chanting minimum 1 lakh. That minimum. Raghunath Das Goswami chants more day and night. But we are follower of Rupa Goswami. We are Rupanuga Vaishnavas. So, Rupa, they have the Goswami's instructions from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Come to Vrindavan, you also excavate the what? The holy places. You have to build temples. You also discuss the Shastras and compile the literatures for the foundation of this Krishna consciousness movement. That is the Goswami's literature. This is the foundation of this Krishna consciousness movement. And then all these Goswamis, they follow the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instructions. Srila Prabhupada also, after renounce his material relations with his family and everything, then he also came to where? Vrindavan. Following the advice of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sarvatyeji jibera kaha vas? Sri Vrindavana Dham jaha nitya lila ras. You have to come to Vrindavan. But Prabhupada also followed the footsteps of the Goswamis. He was staying in Vrindavan and he was also reading Shastras. Every day Prabhupada, in the morning, 4 o'clock to 12 o'clock, he was chanting 8 hours, 64 rounds, and also traveling different temples. All the Sapta Devalayas in Vrindavan is famous. 6 Goswamis temples. So he was traveling every day morning with chanting. Then he will come back like 12 o'clock, then sit down, then he is start his cooking with stove, and he has this tiffin, see, rice, dal, sabji, one time in 25 minutes or 20 minutes he can boil everything. 5 minutes just he makes, 45 minutes his cooking is finished, 15 minutes eating, 1 hour he is finished everything. His cooking and taking prasadam. Then you will maybe half an hour, just take little rest, then you will wake up, then you will start what? Reading Shastras, Nana Shastra, Vicharana Ikanipuno. He will start reading the Goswami commentaries, all these Shastras, the books of his spiritual master. Then he again start writing. That is Prabhupada's instruction by his spiritual master. Prabhupada was writing in English language books. One time when Prabhupada came from Western world, first time he came, then his disciples, they went to Radha Damodar. The Goswamis, they told that do you know your spiritual master to whom you are calling Prabhupada? He has seen Rupa Goswami face to face. And all the Goswamis of Vrindavan blessed him. He was empowered by the Goswami, specifically by Rupa Goswami, to go to West and preach this Krishna consciousness. So one time, Harisari Prabhu was asking this question to Prabhupada. Prabhupada, these Goswamis are telling that if you have personal darshan of Rupa Goswami, and you are empowered by all the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, and Rupa Goswami instructed you to go to Western world and preach Krishna consciousness, then you will be successful by their blessings. It is true. Prabhupada not tell anything, like 1 time, 2 time, 3rd and 3rd time, the Prabhupada not telling anything. Then 4th time he asked this question, then Prabhupada just look at him, he told, what is new? Everyone knows about this. What is new? Everyone is talking about this, so why you have doubt? So that's why this Prabhupada was empowered by all the Goswamis, by spiritual master, by Krishna. Kali Kalera Juga Dharma Nama Sankirtan Krishna Sakti Bina Nahe Tara Pravartan. In this age of Kali, the Juga Dharma is Nama Sankirtan. A real Avadhut, he also preached in this age of Kali. Who is the real Avadhut? Nityananda Prabhu. What is he doing? He was also preacher. He was the first preacher of this movement. He is the father of Sankirtan movement, both Gaur Nitai. Ajanu Lambita Bhujau Kanakavadato Sankirtanai Kapitarau Kamalayatakhyo Vishwambharau Dijabarau Jugadharma Palo Vande Jagatriyakaro Karunavatarau. This is most munificent incarnation, Gaur Nitai. And they are also preaching, they are preachers. First, Lord Chaitanya gave this instruction to Nityananda Prabhu, who is known as Abadhut. In our Mangalacharan we addressed as Abadhut to Nityananda. But the first instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to such Abadhut, Nityananda, and another Abadhut is Haridas Thakur. First instruction. What is the instruction? Suna Suna Nityananda Suna Haridas Sarvatra Amaro Agya Karaha Prakash Prati Ghare Ghare Giya Karai Bhikhya Bolo Krishna Bhaja Krishna Karo Krishna Sikhya. Mahaprabhu told, oh Nityananda Haridas, please listen me. This is my order. You must go door to door, everyone's house, and make them chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. By taking this instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then every day Nityananda, the Abadhut Nityananda and Haridas, they will start traveling to door, right? Some people, they chant, and some people told they are thieves. They are coming in daytime to looking around everything, then maybe night they come to steal everything. And some people praise them, oh very nice, saintly person, but they don't care. They simply follow the instructions of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And you know all how the Jagai Madhais were delivered by Nityananda Prabhu. I am not going detail. So this is the activities of a Avadhut like Nityananda. This is his Avadhut. Following the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instructions, he opened what is Namahatta. Where? In Surabhi. Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahajan Patiya Che Namahatta Jiver Karan. Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahajan Patiya Che Namahatta Jiver Karan. Shraddhavan jana hai, Shraddhavan jana, Shraddhavan jana hai, Shraddhavan jana, Patiya Che Namahatta Jiver Karan. So this is the activity of a Avadhut, Nityananda. And without the mercy of such an Avadhut, Nityananda, it is not possible to give up our attachments for the material world. That's why we are, Narottam Das Thakur says, Kabe hame nitai chander karuna hoibe, sansara vasana moro mone tuchha hobe. And a spiritual master like Srila Prabhupada, he is representative of Nityananda. Without the mercy of such a saintly person, a Avadhut, a Paramahansa, it is not possible to give our attachment for the material world, for sense gratification. That's why we need also association of such an Avadhut. Prahlad Maharaj get association of a Avadhut, but he himself is a Mahajan, Prahlad Maharaj. And he, even after associating such a Avadhut, but what is the philosophy of Prahlad Maharaj? Prahlad Maharaj used to say, there are so many saintly persons. They were thinking, I have to go to Himalaya, sit in caves, meditate on the Supreme Brahman, then make my life successful by making myself free from the cycle of birth and death. But Prahlad Maharaj told that is not my advice. What Prahlad Maharaj wanted? He told, O Nrsimhadev, I cannot go alone, cannot enter into the Vaikuntha. I am thinking about all these, the fools and rascals, about these mudras, those who are simply engaged in sense gratification. Life after life, they are just traveling in the same cycle of birth and death. So I want to take them all also. 2 years about. So Prahlad Maharaj, he has association of Avadhut, but he thinks that preaching is the essence. That is Prahlad. This is also mood of our Srila Prabhupada. So he is also Avadhut. Prabhupada is also Paramahansa, Avadhut. He travelled carrying the advice of his spiritual master, just went to America in a cargo ship. Not the cargo ship. Anyone like to travel in cargo ship? Not possible. But Prabhupada goes very slow. 35 days to reach America, cargo ship. Twice heart attack. Then he just come and reached in Boston Harbor, then he started compiling this song. That Bado Kripa Kaila Prabhu, Evadhamera Prati, Kilagi Anilo Yatha Karaebe Gati. You are so merciful, O my Lord. You brought me to this land of America. Now you may use me as you like. I think you have some purpose. Otherwise, how you brought me here? Prabhupada wrote the song. Please use me as you like. Kasthara pituli jana nachao amar. You may make me dance. Oh Lord, please make me dance in your hand. I am ready to dance in your hand. Here, that is the mood of a Avadhut. Srila Prabhupada come to America, then he started this preaching movement, ISKCON society. So, see, this is the activities of Avadhut. Avadhut not just he is Paramahansa. Generally, all the Avadhuts, they don't like this preaching. They like to just, that is not their way. But if such an Avadhut, a Paramahansa come to the field of preaching, then he could spread the Krishna consciousness all over the world alone. Brahmanda tarite sakti dhare jane jane. When one person can deliver the entire world, like Prabhupada alone, he preach just within 10 years, preach all over the world. He could stay in Radha Damodar and just chant and be happy there. But this is by following the orders of spiritual and the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his spiritual master. Jare dekho tare kaha Krishna upadesh. Amar agyaye guru haya taro ei desh. पृथ्वीते आछे जत नगरादि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार होइबे मोर नाम. That is the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As Prabhupada used to say, as the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has predicted, it is definitely this holy name will spread all over the world, all village and town. But you simply become an instrument, just surrender. You can also be instrument in this moment. If you will not join, nothing will happen. Mahaprabhu's word will come true. But you just enter, nimitta matra bhava sabya sachin. Just become an instrument in the hand of Srila Prabhupada and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is the real follower of a Avadhut. A Avadhut, Prahlad Maharaj met, and a Avadhut like Nityananda, Avadhut is Haridas Thakur. Srila Prabhupada is also Paramahansa. The sannyasis in Paramahansa stage is known as Avadhut. The fourth stage, the Kutichaka, Bahudaka, Hansa, then Paramahansa. This is the topmost stage of the sannyasi, because this chapter is describing about the regulatory principles of a for a sannyasi. Sannyasi should not attach to anything in this material world. He rejected everything. He surrendered to Krishna. He is holding Tridanda even in the beginning stage. Tridanda means Kaya, Mano, Bhakya. I am surrendering to Krishna, both in my words, my body and mind. And then he carries a Jiva Danda. Jiva means I am not super soul, I am soul. It's to remain always, and to remind always, I am a living entity. And my life is fully surrendered in service of the super soul, Krishna. So, this is and when he fully realized these things, then he has no need to hold a danda. He can travel like, without any danda or like this. So, this is a Paramahansa Avadhuta stage. So, we have to follow the Supreme Avadhuta. Who is Supreme Avadhuta? Lord Nityananda. He follows the orders of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he started this preaching movement. And Srila Prabhupada is the chief general of this preaching movement. They are the king. Their father, Gaurnitai, but see, they appointed Srila Prabhupada as the chief general. We have to, just like one soldier, we have to try our best to help Srila Prabhupada. This is the mood, and this is the real life in Krishna consciousness. Preaching is the essence. But for preaching you must get purity. Yesterday I was reading one letter, Prabhupada wrote, actually this Krishna consciousness movement is a preaching movement. And who can preach? This is not for the work for a professionals. A professional man cannot preach unless he has purity. Purity is the force. If a person has purity, he follows himself, and then he preach, then it will work. So Prabhupada was Acharya, like Haridas Thakur was an Acharya. आचार करने के हूँ न करे प्रचार, प्रचार करने के हूँ न करे आचार, आचार प्रचार नामेर करह दुई कार्य, तुम्ही जगतरे पूज्य तुम्ही आचार्य. The acharya must follow himself and also instruct the same thing to others, then it will work. In this way, our movement can progress. We can serve Srila Prabhupada, Lord Nityananda and Gauranga by following their instructions. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
There are 2 minutes, for 2-3 minutes. Any question or comment? Yes. Microphone? Okay, loud.
Thank you very much for making us clear that we have to breathe within the garden. And this little is like it's not like contradiction of what is like concern. Like when we were explaining about the sannyasi, we told that we should come to Vrindavan and we should follow, but that the confusion is clear and everything. So
He may not stay in Vrindavan, and sannyas may not be in body, but his mind's within. The two types you can live in Vrindavan, with this material body and also with in mind. Wherever you travel, Prabhupada is staying always in Vrindavan. He is not staying in New York. He may be in New York, but his heart is in Vrindavan. Even in the Jaladut, Prabhupada wrote the poem. I am thinking about my Radha Damodar, my Mother Mohan Govinda Gopinath. My heart is always in Vrindavan. That is Vrindavan Vas. Mathura Vas. Mathura Vas means always remembering Mathura, Krishna's Janma Karma Chame Divyam. Is someone staying in Australia or some Brazil or somewhere, if he is thinking about Vrindavan, he is reading every day Krishna book, thinking these pastimes, he is in Vrindavan. Someone is staying in Vrindavan, his body in Vrindavan, but he is thinking about business, how to earn money. Money is sweeter than honey, but like this, so his mind is going in the material world. He is not living in Vrindavan. Vrindavan means a mind. Keep your mind always in Vrindavan. Think about Vrindavan always. Okay? Yes.
Devotional life. My question is that how a devotee do social service also and his devotional life also. So even
What is the question? Give him, your pronunciation is not, I could not understand.
How can we balance our spiritual life and our social life?
The spiritual life by following the instructions of Srila Prabhupada. Get up in Mangala Arati, come in Mangala Arati, chant 16 rounds. Hear Bhagavatam, they all do some service for Krishna. This is given by Prabhupada. 8-hour service. 16 round means 8-hour service. It's because 8 hours I have to engage. 64 round means 8 hours. If you not chant 64 round, you chant 16 round, then you have to engage himself in Krishna conscious service. Keep in mind in Krishna. Everything is perfectly given by Srila Prabhupada. Nothing to roaming here there. Just follow his instructions. Then we can make our life perfect. Okay. Any other question? Yes, he is asking. Your purity you can preach anywhere and everywhere. A preacher can realize how Krishna protect you. Preacher must have always that avashya rakhibe Krishna vishwasa palan. Krishna will protect me in any situation. If you have strong faith on that, you have strongly determined, I am preaching for Krishna, Krishna is my protector, then you can preach fearlessly.
Many places we have written that we were our dogs, many of them, does the better dogs start barking and this one, and the owner says that ask the dog to bark and
No, Krishna gave intelligence, how to deal with situations. Sarvasya chaham hridisannivishto matah smritir jnanam apahanam cha. He gives everything. Don't see Krishna is just only in your heart. Krishna is also in the heart of a dog. You see as a super soul, everywhere Krishna is there. Then you can realize how Krishna protects you. Just like one sannyasi was telling how in the beginning days in Russia, there are many Muslims who when they are preaching, they have to go from one village to another village, one city to another city. Then in between, there is some Muslims are staying Muslim village. So at night they are going. There are 2-3 sannyasis and one brahmachari. With them they are going in a car. The next city they have program. But in this Muslim village there was marriage, and they are all they have all drunk or they drank so much wine and then completely out of control. They have all these revolver, pistol, all these things. They stop the car. Like whoever in the car come out. They come out of car. Then he told, okay, come here to dining table. They went to dining table. Then there is all the cow meat, the cooked cow meats, and there is liquor. Then told, we have marriage party, you have to accept this, eat. So what to do? They are looking each other, what to do? In gone point. But they are thinking about Krishna, they are meditating on Nrsimhadev. Suddenly they get intelligence. One sannyasi told, Ramjan, we are from India. In India now Ramjan is going on. Ramjan. You are chanting, here is Allah, Allahu Akbar. We are also, this same Allahu Akbar in our language is different. We chant in differently. They told same Allahu Akbar is we chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. To convince the Muslims, they also told Allahu Akbar, Allah many times. Then told Hare Krishna mantra. Then they told bring our musical instruments. Then in the car they brought. They start playing music and they all started dancing. So this is preaching. If Krishna will give you intelligence. If you depend upon Krishna, Krishna will deal everything. So a preacher, he must surrender. Sadanga saranagati hoibe jahar, tahara prathana sune, Sinanda Kumar. You must faith. If you surrender devotee, Krishna will fulfill all your desires. He will guide you. He will protect you in every situation. Unless you have that firm conviction, you cannot preach. Krishna will help you. Okay? Prabhupada that firm conviction. Prabhupada never think I am alone. He always think with me, Krishna and my spiritual master is always with me. Prabhupada never feel. That's why he could chastise anyone and everyone. You are rascal, you don't know anything. To big scientists, big people. If someone is fully surrendered, he will always protected by Krishna. Because we are not surrendered, fully not, so Krishna is reciprocate accordingly. Jo jathamang prapadyante tang tathaiva bhajamyaham. Okay, so time is over. I stop here. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री गौर निताय की जय, कृष्ण बलराम की जय, राधा श्याम सुंदर ललिता विशाखा देवी की जय. हरे कृष्ण.